Hi students, how are you all? I hope that you all will be fine. Guys, myself Jiten Singh, Jeetu sir, your English teacher. Guys, today we are going to study a poem from 10th class, that is Dust of Snow. Guys, in this video we will get the word meanings and explanation of this poem line by line. So let's start, guys. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Guys, here shook means shake. That is the second form of shake. Hemlock is a poisonous tree with small white flowers. Okay, guys. Now we come on the explain of this poem. Guys, this poem is set in a scene where the poet is in a bad mood and is walking by a tree. And this tree is called hemlock tree, and hemlock tree is a poisonous tree with small white flowers. As the poet was passing by, a crow happens to throw some snow dust on him. Whether it falls on his head or shoulders is unknown, as there is no specific mention in the poem. Also, the readers are left in doubt about the word's specific action, where the crow was landing, shivering, or taking off. It is unknown because it is not mentioned in the poem. It happened to send some particles of snow upon the other. Here, the two agents of nature, the hemlock tree and the crow, are signifiers of sadness, just like the poet's mood. Guys, we can say in Hindi, एक दिन कवि सैड मूड में था और वह एक हेमलॉक के ट्री के नीचे से गुजर रहा था। हेमलॉक एक जहरीला पेड़ होता है जिस पर सफ़ेद रंग के फूल लगते हैं। तो जब कवि उसके नीचे से गुजर रहा था और वो सैड मूड में था, बहुत दुखी था। इस कविता में कारण नहीं बताया गया है कि वह क्यों दुखी था, लेकिन दुखी था ये बताया गया है। तो जब वो पेड़ के नीचे से गुजर रहा था, अचानक एक कौए ने कुछ बर्फ के कण उस कवि के ऊपर गिरा दिए। मौसम ठंडा था, पेड़ पर बर्फ जमी हुई थी। जब कौए ने उस पेड़ की टहनियों को हिलाया तो कुछ कण जो है कवि के ऊपर गिर पड़े। तो जब कुछ कण कवि के ऊपर गिरे तो उसका माइंड जो सैड था वो चेंज हो गया। अचानक उसमें कुछ बदलाव आया। नेक्स्ट, हैज़ गिवन माई हार्ट अ चेंज ऑफ मूड, यानी उसके मूड में चेंजिंग आई। एंड सेव्ड सम पार्ट ऑफ अ डे आई हैड रिव्ड। हियर रिव्ड मीन्स held in regret. Guys, the reasons are unknown why the poet was sad, but he was having a terrible day, it is sure. But the falling of the snow on his head lifted his mood instantly, and his mood became gay. He had already spent his day in a bad mood, but the rest of it was saved because of the crow and the hemlock tree. Okay, guys. that was the complete explanation of the poem. Thank you.